Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore Surya Namaskar, also known as the sun salutation. This ancient yoga sequence has been practiced for thousands of years and is a wonderful way to start your day. Surya Namaskar is not just a physical exercise but also a way to connect with your inner self and the natural rhythms of the day. Surya Namaskar is a series of 12 powerful yoga poses performed in a sequence, traditionally done in the morning to greet the sun. Surya Namaskar is a revered yoga sequence with a wide range of benefits for both the body and mind. Here's a comprehensive overview of its benefits. Improves flexibility, strengthens muscles, promotes weight loss, increases energy and vitality, enhances mental clarity, boosts immune system, and improves sleep quality. Incorporating Surya Namaskar into your daily routine can provide these numerous benefits, making it a valuable practice for enhancing physical health, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Let's break down each pose in the sequence. We'll start with the first pose and move through the sequence step by step. Start in Pranamasana or prayer pose. Stand tall with your feet together, palms pressed together in front of your chest. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. This pose centers your mind and prepares you for the sequence ahead. Next, move into Hasta Uttanasana or raise arm pose. Inhale and raise your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Gently arch your back and look up, stretching your entire body. This pose stretches your arms and spine, energizing you and opening up your chest. Now, exhale and fold forward into Uttanasana or standing front bend. Keep your feet hip-width apart if necessary. Let your head hang freely and relax your neck. This forward bend helps in stretching your hamstrings and calming your mind. Step your right foot back, lowering your hips into Veerbhadrasana 1 or Warrior 1. Your left knee should be bent and your right leg extended behind. Inhale and reach your arms overhead, bringing your palms together if you like and open your chest. This pose stretches your groin and improves balance while increasing flexibility. Step back into Dandasana or plank pose. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold for a few breaths. Plank pose strengthens your core and arms, preparing your body for more challenging poses. Lower yourself into Ashtanga Namaskar or 8-limb pose. Your body should be close to the ground with your elbows bent and your chest and chin touching the mat. This pose strengthens your chest and arms while opening up your heart. Slide into Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Press your palms into the mat and lift your chest up, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Gaze upward. Cobra pose stretches your spine and opens your chest, improving flexibility and relieving stress. Push back into Adhomukh Svanasana or downward facing dog. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape. Press your heels towards the mat and relax your head between your arms. This pose stretches the entire body, calms the nervous system, and helps to rejuvenate you. Step your left foot forward into Veerbhadrasana 1 on the other side. Feel the stretch in your hips and chest. Step forward and return to Uttanasana. Feel the release in your back and legs. Inhale and rise back into Hasta Uttanasana, reaching your arms overhead and gently arching your back. Finally, exhale and return to Pranamasana. This completes one round of Surya Namaskar. You can repeat this sequence several times, depending on your practice level and time available. Practicing Surya Namaskar regularly requires commitment and concentration, which can foster discipline and enhance your ability to focus in other areas of life. Give it a try each morning and feel the difference it makes in your day. Mastering Surya Namaskar or sun salutation involves both physical practice and mental focus. Here are some practical tips to help you perfect your practice. Start slowly and progress gradually. Begin with a few rounds of Surya Namaskar and gradually increase the number as you become more comfortable with the sequence. Focus on breath coordination. Proper breath coordination enhances the flow of the sequence and helps maintain focus. Maintain proper alignment. Proper alignment ensures you're getting the most out of each pose and helps prevent injury. Practice consistently. Aim to practice daily or several times a week to build strength, flexibility, and confidence in the sequence. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during the practice. Avoid pushing yourself into discomfort or pain. Cool down after practice. End your practice with a few minutes of gentle stretching or a restorative pose like Shavasana or corpse pose. Stay hydrated and nourished. Ensure you're well hydrated and have eaten a light, nutritious meal before practicing. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Stay tuned for more wellness tips and yoga practices. Until next time, keep shining and stay balanced.